everyone, Deb here, and I am doing the Scrapbook Yourself Challenge. We've got the NSD Design Team Takeover event happening at the moment, so I'll leave a link below for that. And I am doing a Traveler's Notebook spread using a lot of the Kitaholic Kit's exclusive die cuts for the month of May. I decided to do it in my Traveler's Notebook because I did want to scrapbook this photo, and I did buy these cards from the Kitaholic shop, so I am going to use one of them on the spread too. But I do use a lot of the what am I trying to say, die cuts, the exclusive die cuts for May. So, and I am going to create a tip-in on the left-hand side. Actually, I'm going to do two tip-ins on the left-hand side and decorate the right-hand side. Just get my photo to the size I want, because I'm going to get my craft knife and cut that flower so I can tuck my photo under the flower and it overlaps the photo. So I did grab a doily from my stash, and I'm just going to fuss about a bit with some of the die cuts. I do go through some of the other bits and pieces of the kits. I really wanted to use them scissors, those wood veneer scissors. I love them so much, but they're just too big for a Traveler's Notebook. So did pull the watercolors out from the mixed media kit, and I'm going to use them with the packaging technique on my background. And I did grab these thickers from my stash. So just getting ready to put a bit of background paint onto my page. Now the right hand side did bleed through a little bit to my next spread, but it wasn't too bad, so that's okay. These watercolors are really nice. They come in tube form, so you only need a little bit because they're quite pigmented, if I can get my words today. And you can just let them dry in your palette and re-wet them whenever you need them. Now this is where I got my craft knife out, and I'm going to cut, I think I cut like 3.5 petals of the flower that's on this exclusive 3x4 card, and that will allow me to slip my photo under it so the flower overlaps the photo, and then I'll glue my photo to my card. So everything's dry now, and I'm going to start sticking things down. I'm just going to grab some washi from my stash to create the tip-ins for the photos on the left hand side there. And I do play around with them scissors. I really tried to make it work. I really loved them, and they really suited this spread, what this spread was about. But I think I might use them on a layout. I think they're better suited for a layout. So just getting my next two photos ready, and I will create a tip-in. So this is where I realized that, excuse the truck going past, um, that the scissors were just going to be too big for the spread. So the first flower I stick down flat to the page, or I do put some sewing thread underneath the flowers too. And the second little flower I'm going to pop up on some foam. And for some reason my footage cut out here, so you don't miss much. I just put down the thickers for the title on my page. So I did find this fabric heart that was from a previous kit, and I'm just going to put it up to the top left of my photo there, just to bring small pink over there. And I am going to put some enamel dots and rhinestones on the page. Some of the, I think the rhinestones were that, yeah, they were from the grab bag from Kitaholic Kits, the bling and I think it was bling and enamel dot grab bag. Yeah, anyway, that was from Kitaholic Kits. These little stickers are from eBay, and I'm just going to scatter them about. I do come in and do some black splatters with the watercolor paint and some journaling as well on my little label there. And after I finished filming, I felt like it needed something else, so I did add some gold sequins in a few spots and some gold color shine splatters to the page as well. And you will see that in the stills at the end of the video. So that's it for me today, guys. Well, for this video, there will be more videos today. I hope you're having an awesome National Scrapbooking Day wherever you are. I will leave links below to the event. Come along. Anyone can come along and join in. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.